Keenan here. I'm going to unbox and review this Beelink Mini PC 12th generation. So this is the Beelink Mini S12 Pro PC. This is a 12th generation Admiral Lake N100 CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, 500 gigabyte hard drive. Okay, so here's the outer box with the model numbers. And when you open it up, here is the PC. It's very small. It's less than 5 inches wide. Okay, also in the box, they give you a long and short HDMI cable, maybe the small ones for mounting on the back of the monitor, and they give you this VESA mount to mount it on the back of the monitor. They also include this 12 volt, 3 amp power supply in the box. Now I measured it at idle, 11 watts, and consumption at load, which was 33 watts. This N100 CPU must be crazy efficient. Fan noise is also almost silent. Back of the unit, you see your 2 USB 3.2 ports, 2 HDMI ports, and a gigabit Ethernet port. The 12 volt power is also back there and some cooling fans. Okay, on the front of the unit, you have 2 more USB 3.2 ports and the power on-off button. When you power the unit on, you get a blue power light on the front. I let it run under load for a while, and it stayed pretty cool, 83 degrees. I couldn't really get much hotter. Okay, so I'm going to power this thing up. It starts up pretty fast. Let's see, from pushing the power button to Windows login. Okay, get the Beelink logo. There we go, Windows login. Pretty fast for this little PC. This thing came with Windows 11 pre-installed. There was no bloatware on here, which is nice. Now, the one thing I did notice when I ran a speedtest.net, I was only getting about 500 meg, and the CPU was getting pinned. Now, I have over a 1.4 gigabit connection, so all my other PCs will see that. I ran a couple of the speed tests and saw the same thing with the web-based or app-based speed tests. So not sure what was going on there. I checked the Ethernet settings, they all looked okay. But then when I fired up Steam and started downloading a game, I noticed it got 754 megabits per second. This is no gaming PC, but I just wanted to see if it could run one of the latest games, The Last of Us. So I just started it. Let's see how long it takes to get to the launch screen. Pretty fast. I actually just built a full-size PC that's not this fast with an older motherboard. Okay, so the game's definitely playable. The frame rate's kind of small. You may have to reduce the quality, but you could definitely play some games on this thing. This Beelink's under $200. You couldn't even buy a graphics card. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Wi-Fi and tech products.